going to be showing you today just quickly how to remove a T6 door card. Tools you're going to need for this job: 10mm spanner, small little screwdriver, pry bar if you have one, a Torx 30 and a Torx 25. Right, first job is underneath the door card. You'll see some little turnbuckles. You need to turn those until they line up. With the slots, like so. There's two of those to do, on either side. It's easy if you try to do it without holding a phone to try to record this. Once we've done that, I need to take off the door handle. Underneath the door handles there's a little tiny slot. Either you can put a small screwdriver in there, or I've got a pry bar here, just in there, and just tease it off. There we go. Inside you'll see two Torx 30 screws that we need to undo and take out. It's a lot easier when my able assistant Graham's holding the phone. Not speaking, are you, Graham? Come on, the talk on Project Binky. You've got to talk on when you're doing this. Mind you, Project Binky would be having a cup of tea by now, wouldn't we?
Biscuits.
Yep. Right, then we can remove the window switches. Pry bar in again, up at the top. That comes off. Small screwdriver. Easiest thing to do is just undo these. Just push that in, that slides out. Always one. That's that off. We need to use T25 on the screw there in the centre, just above the door pocket. This is something people usually forget to undo. Once we've undone them, all we need to do then, fingers in behind there, pull it. Don't be afraid, that's what we're supposed to do with snap-on connectors. Once we get to that point then, you should be able to just slide the door card up. And then just need to undo the light for the remote, for the alarm wire, light should I say. And then door handle, all you do is just shove that back, and then that's that, and that's it. You've now removed a T6 door card.